NASA's Hubble Space Telescope has mentioned a dynamite new objective fact. What gives off an impression of being the biggest comet at any point found, at a surprising 80 miles across, making it about the width of Vermont. The space rock, named C. 2014 UN 271, Bernardinelli-Bernstein, is shouting towards our planetary group at 22,000 miles each hour. Yet it will just get inside 1 billion miles from the Sun continuously 2031, as indicated by NASA, which is generally the separation from the Sun to Saturn. A sensational revelation could reclassify what we are familiar the comet's thought beginning, a huge cloud holding different items like it, which embodies the whole nearby planet group. Furthermore, C. 2014 UN 271 probably isn't the only one of its sort. This comet is in a real sense a hint of something larger for a huge number of comets that are too weak to even consider finding in the more far-off pieces of the planetary group, said David Jewitt, teacher of planetary science and stargazing at the University of California, UCLA, and co-creator of Another Learn about the revelation distributed in the astrophysical journal Letters, in an explanation. We've generally thought this comet must be enormous in light of the fact that it is so brilliant at such a huge distance, he added. Presently we affirm it is. The huge space snowball was first found in 2014 by cosmologists Pedro Bernardinelli and Gary Bernstein, who analyzed chronicled pictures taken by the Cerro Tololo Inter-American Observatory in Chile. Its massive size, however, has just been affirmed presently on account of perceptions made by the Hubble. The comet is assessed to be under 2 billion miles from the Sun at present. This is an astonishing article, considering how dynamic it is, the point at which it's still such a long ways from the Sun, said lead writer Manta Wei of the Macau University of Science and Technology, Taipa, Macau, in the explanation. We speculated the comet may be quite large, yet we really wanted the best information to affirm this. The group needed to make up for the comet's enormous extreme lethargies, a dust storm, to sort out how large its core really is. In any case, because of new estimations made by Hubble, the group had the option to presume that the comet was considerably surprisingly enormous. It's huge and it's darker than coal, expressed Jewitt in the articulation. Researchers suspect C. 2014 UN 271 began in the Oort cloud, a round shell that envelops the whole nearby planet group, and has been shouting through space for above and beyond 1 million years. The group is currently trusting their revelation can reveal new insight into how we might interpret the Oort cloud and what other far-off treasures it might in any case stow away from us.